I beg to move the bill be passed.
Motion move. The questions of the Andhra Pradesh Advocates Amendment Bill 2024 be introduced. Those who are for the motion, please say yes. Those who are against, please say no. Yes, have it. Motion is carried. I request the Minister for and Urban Development to move on behalf of the Chief Minister on the welfare and
for leave to introduce the Andhra Pradesh Advocate Clerks Welfare Fund Amendment Bill 2024.
Motion moved.
I beg to move that the Andhra Pradesh Advocate Clerks Welfare Fund Amendment Bill 2024 be taken into
please say no. Yes, have it. Bill is considered. There are no Now I request to Sri TJR Sudhakar Babu to move the motion of thanks to Governor address.